based around audio combined with some kind of touch?
So we've brought a number of prototypes that look at transferring visual information into other forms of information using your sense of touch and using your sense of hearing.
If you have information on a computer that's textual, you can just read it out using speech. But if you've got something like a graph or a map or a table, that's a lot harder to do. So we're really looking at technology to allow people to access that kind of information in a useful way.
So we're using haptic technologies that allow you to use your sense of touch to interact with computers. So we're taking visual information that we normally experience through our computer screen, and we're translating that to something that can be explored with your hands.
In prior technology you could have paper-based things that visually impaired people could access, but now everything's on computer, and with things like the Disability Discrimination Act and also the American kind of equivalents, it's required that people make reasonable steps to accommodate visual impairment in access to information. So we're just trying to really push what's reasonable a bit further.
In a school environment, visually impaired children are often left out of a lot of the activities, the social activities, learning activities, any sort of group work. We're really interested in providing environments where visually impaired children and sighted children can work together or even play together in a game.
The long-term aim of the project has come up with a good set of guidelines that allow visually impaired people the same kind of access to information that sighted users get for things like maps and graphs and tables, and then the same sort of opportunities in employment that sighted users gain.